Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chin Rodriguez, mamasigal siya ng A Faith Healer, also a tarot reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayong sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay, or a monthly gabay for the month of August 2026, no, for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, ang spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Pero don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang dirigi-skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapal siksik, leg-leg nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices no, ng ating angel spirit na para sa ating mga kapatid dyan na Taurus. So let's see and watch this. Hagilapin natin at tuklasin natin maaring masagap natin sa energy nyo. So, ulitin ko, ito ay pawang gabay para sa buwan ng August, no? Para sa mga kapatid natin na Taurus. Let's see. In this let's give information pa. Okay, so there's something dihinin. Oh, there's something stuck. No, there's something hing, lutang, or maaaring nakastaka sa situation. There's something feeling abandonment. No, parang feeling mo hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. You're feeling stuck from that situations, no? Kailangan mabago na yung perspective, no? Kailangan mabago na yung pananaw, no? Ano man yung bagay na iyong nakasanayan na kailangan na mabago. Let's see what is additional messages. Represent guys with the King of Pentacles, being mature enough and being grounded, how to manage and control your finances. So, kailangan pangalagaan mo. Protectionin mo about sa finances, no? Pag-ingatan mo ano man yung bagay na meron ka. And there's a 12 cups. There's a partnership. So, mayroon tungkol sa relasyon, partnership, no, collaboration. There's an unconditional love. No, may pagmamahal talaga na hindi matatawaran dito. No, there's something, guys, with the Four of Pentacles. There's something saving and protecting. So, may mga bagay dyan na kailangang proteksyonan at pangalagaan. No, or ingatan. No, kailangan talaga mag-budget, guys. Baguhin mo na yung maling pananaw mo or maling nakasanayan mo. No, kung paano ka gumastos, no? Kailangan maging secure ka na. There's a Nine of Wands, first slow and steady, no? Manatiling kalmado, wag kang aggressive, no? In the Eight of Wands, there's something communication and transaction, no? Ibig sabihin, maraming messages. Phone call na darating, there's something proposal, no? There's something promotional at the same time. No, with the Eight of Wands, there's a trouble. No, magkakaroon ka daw ng trouble. Wow, there's a thinking, man, reference with the Eight of Cups. There's an abandonment talaga. You're feeling abandonment. No, parang hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makalis, parang naiwanan ka sa ere or naiwanan ka sa situations. No, what is the Queen of Pentacles? No, there's something, the Sun card. There's something a pure positive outcome. So, may mga bagay na parang mapagtatanto mo. No, may mga bagay na ma-realize ka dito. No, yung mga nakagawian mo, nakasanayan mo. No, there's something verification na kailangan mo na tanggalin or linisin. No, ang mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong for your growth and expansion. And the Ace of Wands, something a plan. So, dito papasok ang mga bagong plano. No? Pagdating sa relasyon, may plano ba kayo ng relasyon mo na mag-business? There's a possibility na gumanda, no? Or mag-boom yung negosyo na yon. What is the Four of Pentacles? Oh, there's an Ace of Pentacles. Wow! There is something, a big shot, a big money coming in. So, may malaking oportunidad talagang papasok. No, there's a material success or material offer. So, there's the Four of Pentacles na kailangan mo talagang isave. Or mayroong kailangan bagay na ingatan. No? May offer daw na darating, no, na parang kailangan mong isave to or protection na nito. So, maaring merong kang bagay, it's either pagkakagasasan or merong kang bagay na makukuha, no, or matatamo, no, pagdating sa malaking halaga. What is the Knight of Wands? Represent guys with the Six of Swords, there's a transition. na may mga part din dito na makakaalis ka na sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. Now, there's a Nine of Wands for slow and steady. So, unti-unti na raw na makakaalis ka. The Nine of Wands for slow and steady, the Six of Swords sa transition. Now, ang pagbabago na unti-unti nang magaganap o unti-unti mo na mararamdaman kung ano tong pagbabago na to. So, there's something, guys, with the Eight of Wands. Represent what? The Eight of Wands represent with the Two of Swords, something decision. So may mga part dito na parang kailangan mo na talaga magdesisyon. No, there's a final decision that you need to make. No, na kailangan talagang tuldukan, tapusin na. What is the Hangman and the Eight of Cups? Represent, guys, with the Hierophant. Now, there's an education or lesson learned. So, matuto ka na para hindi ka naiiwanan sa area or parang hindi ka naiiwanan sa situation. Madala ka na. Protection and naman yung bagay na meron ka, no? Save and protect, no? Parang sinasabi dito na magsulok ka, magbukod ka, on your own, ganon. What is the Queen of Pentacles and the Sun card? Represent with the Ease of Swords with the mental clarity. Na may mga bagay na parang liliwanag, lilinaw sa'yo. Marami kang bagay na maaaring mag-sink in sa utak mo, sa pananaw mo, na maaaring unti-unti nitong babaguhin ng mga bagay na nakagisnan or nakagalawan or nakagawian mo. Kasi mayroon kang mga nakasanayan dito na kailangan na mabago or kailangan na maiba. Kasi parang hindi na maganda ang cycle. Ganon. And the Two of Cups is the Ace of Wands. Represent with the Two of Pentacles, keep yourself balance. So, maging balance kayo dito, no? Kumbaga, kailangan maging balance, timbangin niyo yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa inyong dalawa ng partner mo or ng person mo, ng asawa mo, ng relasyon mo, na kailangan, kung ano man yung plano nyo, kailangan there's something solid band, no? Isa yung hangarin or plano nyo sa bagay na yun. And there's a Hermit card. There's something as purpose. Now, there's something an enlightenment. Now, may mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga. Ito, malaking opportunities na to. It's something, a gift from the universe, na may magandang bagay na nakalaan para sa iyo talaga. Maganda ka, malaking opportunities to. There's a Knight of Wands that occurs the Six of Swords. Represent, guys, with the Emperor. See? Be mature enough in being grounded. So, sinasabi dito, maging mahinahon ka. No, huwag kang maging aggressive. Kaya sinasabi, there's a respect at disciplines sa sarili mo. No, kasi magiging aggressive ka this coming August or ngayong August na to. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a Six of Swords sa transition, magbabago ang situation na kailangan magkaroon ka ng respect at discipline. Ganun. So, may darating bagay na kailangan maging mahinahon ka, hindi pwedeng magmadali, no? Dahil the more na magmamadali ka, the more na magkakamali ka. The Eight of Wands is the Two of Swords, represent with the King of Swords. There's a stop the pattern. Tulad na sinasabi ko, na kailangan mayroong bagay na maputol na ang maling sistema or maling nakasanayan or maling nakagawian mo na. For the outcome, there's a High Priestess. Now, there's a hidden agenda or there's a hidden enemies. So, meron talaga misteryo sa likod dito. No? Meron talagang bagay na nagpapabigat sa situation mo. Kaya ka iniiwan sa ere, ginagaslight ka, ginaghosting ka, there's a reason. Now, there's something hyphen for something religious factor. Or sa madaling sa, there's a ritual. No? There's a curses. No? Kumbaga nakasta ka sa sitwasyon dahil may gumambala or may sumasalbahay sa'yo behind the scene. Now, with the High Priestess, there's a mystery. What is the Queen of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Ace of Swords? Represent, guys, with the Five of Wands. So, there's a complication. So, malalaman mo na kung naman yung bagay na nagdadala sa'yo ng komplikasyon. So, malalaman mo na kung bakit parang ang ilap-ilap ng swerte or parang, kumbaga, nandun ka na sa eksena pero parang bumabalik ka ulit sa zero, ganon. Kumbaga, maganda naman yung finances mo pero hindi siya nag-appropriate doon sa mga nangyayari, diba? Kumbaga, hindi nakikisama, no? Or maaaring, kumbaga, hindi kinakaya, ganun. And the word represents something, trouble, success, accomplishment. So, mayroong bagay na mapagtatagumpayin talaga ng person mo. And there's a lot of trouble. So, marami kayong trouble ng person mo. And there's a Wheel of Fortune with a destiny, it's yours. So there's something good luck, there's a good karma. Tulad din sinasabi ko with the Hermit card, oh my God, bigla ko na sense. No? With the Hermit card, there's a Wheel of Fortune, there's a destiny to happen, there's a good luck and karma. But there's a Hermit card. Now, parang bagay na may kaugnayan about sa spirituality, na there's a curses talaga. Imbis na swertihin kami na malas ka, or maaring maraming nangyayari sa'yo, kagastusan, maaring nabudol ka, na-scam ka, no? Merong mga ganun mga pangyayari sa buhay mo that because there's a spiritual problem. No? Additional messages. So there's a chariot card. You need to take an action from this. So kailangan mo talagang kumilos at gumalaw at unti-unti mo tong, kumbaga, gawan ng solusyon as soon as possible. And there's a justice card. It's all about karma talaga. No, it's all about justice and it's all about balance. No, what goes around comes around. So sinasabi dito na kailangan mo maging balanse at kailangan maging makinakon ka, no, sa mga bagay na gagawin mo talaga. Now, let's see what is additional messages. No, pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Finances and career, love life at kalusugan, representative preference. No, there's something divine intervention. May paalala sa ng ating divine. Pagdating sa finances, no, there's something in 9 Pentacles. May potential ka para maging malago. No, this is a temperance, healing, patient, no, kailangan mo kumalma, or mayroong mga paalala sa'yo dito na kailangan mo mag-pay attention pagdating sa finances dahil there's a financial loss of financial difficulties or financial crisis na maraming bagay talaga na maaaring nangyayari ngayon pagdating sa finances mo. And there's another cause. May offer may offer na darating pagdating sa finances mo. No, there's something, a big offer coming in. So may mga bagay na maaaring mangyari or dumating, no, na kailangan mo talagang, kumbaga, mag-pay attention. Okay. So, let's see what is additional messages. Na pagdating tayo sa love life. So, there is a 5 of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, ha? No, and there's a magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na manifest daw kayo ng partner mo or ng person mo. And of course, there's an emperor, no? And of course, meron daw ditong babae na very narcissistic na parang ayaw na nalalamangan, ayaw na sasapawan, no? And of course, there's something at 10 of Pentacles, long-term success. No, magkakaroon kayo ng pang matagalan sitwasyon, pero meron ditong parang nagdadala sa inyo ng complication ng partner mo. It's either there's something family-related na person mo. Now, what is additional messages? At the same time, may nakita rin ako with the other side na meron ditong hindi mabuntis. No? There's a fertility problem. There's a hormonal imbalance. No? Meron ako nakikita ang fertility ng problema with the Empress card in reverse. Ganun. Now, pagdating sa kalusugan, there is a Page of Swords being curiosity. Kailangan alamin mo yung mga bagay na nangyayari or nararamdaman mo. There's a Queen of Swords, clear the boundaries. So, kailangan mabago na yung mga bad habits, no? Yung mga nakasanayan mo, unhealthy foods, no? And there's a Three of Wands, no? May mga result na maaaring dumating, mangyari, no? Pagdating sa kalusugan mo. And the Eight of Pentacles, mag-focus ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Mag-focus ka lang sa kung ano ba yung bagay of priorities mo. Isa sa bagay na maaaring nagdadala sa iyo ng, kumbaga, masamang pakiramdam yung, kumbaga, yung negative thoughts, no? Mabigat talaga yung kapag stress ka, na parang ang bigat-bigat na pakiramdam mo. With the other side, no, kumbaga, meron talagang bagay na hindi ka makapag-concentrate talaga, magulo utak mo. So, let's see what is additional messages with the Magic of Fire messages advices. No, nandito na tayo about sa Magic of Fire messages advices. Magic of Fire messages, advices. So there is something in spring. Now there is a blossoming. And there's something of perfect timing. No, talaga may mga bagay talaga na nakatadhana para sa'yo talaga. No, nakalaan to para sa'yo talaga. What is the Romance Angels with the Mystic Love Oracle deck? So there is something a soulmate. No, may soulmate connection dito. Wait lang, guys. Now, there's a soulmate connection. Maaring may soulmate connection dito. No? And there's something of courage. I-encourage ka dito na have confident. No? Lakasan mo lang loob mo pagdating sa relasyon. No, kailangan nyo talaga ilaban yung isa't isa, soulmate in a person mo. Na marami lang talagang, kumbaga, umi-extra. And there's a delay. Some of you delay ka. Na nagkakaroon ng delay pagdating sa mga transaction din. And there's a wisdom, enlightenment. Na maaaring may mga bagay na para masasagot na lahat ng katanungan mo dito. Maliliwanagan ka na. Now, what is our yin and yang oracle card? Now, there's a chemistry. Di ba may chemistry kayo ng person mo? May chemistry kayo ng person mo. For a chakra messages. Represent with a growth. Talaga magkakaroon ng growth and expansion sa inyong dalawa na partner mo, guys. Or sa buhay mo. No, magkakaroon kayo ng growth and expansion. For Archangel Michael messages, represent, decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-desisyon na magiging masaya ka ngayon. Totoo kami yung sarili mo. Now, for a Jesus-loving quote said, guys, heal the sick that they're in and say unto them, the King of God is coming to you. Na pagagalingin ng ating Panginoon lahat ng sugat, lahat ng hirap na lahat ng mga sakit na pinagdaanan mo, no? At kumbaga, doon mo makikita ang kaharian ng ating Panginoon, no? Bago mo makamit yung bagay na yon, marami muna ipaparana sa iyo at pagagalingin niya lahat ng bagay na sugat ng mga naranasan mo, trauma man yan, sakripisyo, paghihirap, kumbaga may mga bagay na maaring makamit mo dyan. There's a fruit of labor. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of August 2026 para sa ating mga kapatid na Taurus. So Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Focus, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo nang skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksikiliglig na guumapo na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush.